1:30 Saturday afternoon. It's still about 90 degrees out here. Now the school up there, just 2 houses away. Alright, so they've got to have their lawnmowers going. And no, I don't expect them to use push mowers, and Saturday would be the day that they'd have to do that. But it is 90 degrees out here. It is in the middle of the brutal middle of the scorching heat. And I'll tell you something, this noise, is certainly no treat for these poor little babies. These poor little babies are having a hard enough time in their first week of life dealing with this 90-degree weather. And on top of that, they've got their sensitive little ears, have to put up with this fucking noise. No. This is not a good thing. No matter how you try to excuse it, these poor little guys, let alone people like myself, these poor little babies are not benefiting from the noise of these lawnmowers. They're having a hard enough time with the heat. Of course, the lawnmowers will be done before the heat is. But these poor little guys. Oh, there they go. Their mother is probably doing exactly what she needs to be doing by giving them shade, even more than giving them food. She knows they need the shade. Oh God, they're practically climbing out of the nest there. And they're only like several days old. And the noise isn't helping them to not climb out of the nest. It's making them all the more eager to escape from. I mean, they don't even have their eyes open yet, but they can sense that there's something sinister out there, something big and bad that they need to escape from. Poor little guys. Poor little babies.